What's going on, everybody? So we're going to talk about tool drawer organizers. This kit here is from a company called Onreva, and I like this kit because it's a little bit more customizable as far as organization. And if you're in this industry and have toolboxes, you know organization is huge, and it just helps keep things where they need to be, so you can grab them quicker, you can put them back. You're not looking for stuff when you go to close the drawer. If it's not in its spot, then you know it's missing. So hopefully you don't leave it in a car or something. So I just want to go over this kit specifically. I'll throw up a picture of what this drawer looked like before. It was kind of just my catch-all drawer for like brake job stuff. And then I had my torque wrenches in here. But it was kind of just all laid about. I got the 24-piece kit. So it actually came with another one of these, and then it came with quite a few of the smaller ones. I haven't used these ones yet because obviously I filled up this drawer and I didn't really have a use for them in this particular drawer, but I am gonna put them to use somewhere. And the one thing I wanted to show you and compare it to, so these are actually, I bought these from Harbor Freight, and the reason I did not like these particular ones, and that's why this one's all cobwebbed up and they're both dirty because they've just been sitting on the floor. It's because obviously you can't separate them. And so if your drawer size doesn't fit exactly how you need it, it ends up being a pain. Versus these, I have them set up perfectly in the drawer. So they line up all the way across, they can't move, and they're stuck in place. So like I said, I'll throw up a picture of what this drawer looked like before, and then obviously you'll see the after as well. The one thing I will say I had to do on these particular pieces in here is once I had them all clipped together, because they will actually link together. Whoops, sorry. They will actually link together like that. Is once I got up to the wall and I had these extra little pieces, I cut them off so they fit perfectly in the drawer tight. If I didn't cut those off, then it kind of tilted up a little bit and they weren't tight in the drawer. So I just cut these little end pieces off here. Off of just one. Obviously I didn't cut them off all of them. They're all actually linked together except for the end ones. But that is one of the other things that I really liked about it is because they link together, and you can do that on the smaller ones and the bigger ones, and then they'll all hold together, which makes it nice. They're not moving around. So they sell them in like a few different kits. They sell them in a 24-piece kit. They sell them in a 32-piece kit. I'll make sure I have links for everybody down in the description below. They're actually really affordable, which I liked a lot. The 24-piece kit, I think, is only $10, somewhere around there on Amazon. And the 24-piece kit is $27.99. And then I'll also link a 32-piece kit that I found on eBay, same company, and it's $31, I think. So overall, for what you get, it's actually a really, really good deal, and it's a great way to create some organization inside your toolbox if you want something a little bit different for your drawers that kind of have a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. Because it's easy to organize drawers like when you're messing with power tools, or if you're doing sockets and stuff and you have socket trays. That's a little easier. Same with your wrenches, because you can have the wrench holders and it makes it nice. But when you have all sorts of different size stuff, and we've all got those drawers, this is where these kits come in handy, is to be able to organize that stuff and keep it all in its place. So hopefully this gives you an extra little idea if you're looking for more organization in your tools, and kind of helps you. And hopefully if you buy some, they work out great for you as well. So if they do and you end up buying some, go ahead in the comments and let me know what you think about them and how you like them. I like them a lot so far. And I've been really enjoying them. And like I said, as you can see, it turned this drawer around completely. So appreciate y'all watching. Nice little short, sweet video for you. I appreciate all of the support and love here lately on the YouTube channel. It's been fantastic. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.